Here's Bloom, Sprout, Blossom. There she is. You guys are enjoying it being outside, huh? Yeah. And little twigs over there. Yeah. This is Sprout. That's Bloom. That's Sleep, Sprout. That's Sprout, Sleet, Bloom, that's Twig, and here comes Blossom. Blossom and Sprout are blocking the doorway and they really don't even know what the doorway is. Oop! Blossom found it. Where'd sister go? Bloom moved. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Whoops. It's Sleet. Sleet and Twig. What? You hear the airplane? Wow. Okay. You can do it. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. Come on. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. You can do it. See? There you go. You're a big girl. Yeah. Ooh, come on. You're a big girl. You got all but one foot out. Come on.